Good morning, boys. Today is Wednesday, 29th July 2020. You are welcome in class physics 10th O level, unit 20 magnetism, and today we are going to learn about the temporary magnet and permanent. That what is temporary magnet and what is the permanent. You have learned that about the magnetic materials, iron, steel, and cobalt. These material can be acquired the magnetism. They can be magnetized. So those material which can be magnetized, they are called magnetic material. But different material have the different properties. So today we will learn about the iron and steel. Iron is the soft material, whereas the steel is a hard material. So iron, when it becomes magnet, it is called temporary magnet, and the steel is hard and it is called permanent. So we will learn that why do we call them a temporary and permanent magnet. Let me demonstrate a simple activity. There are two figures. In one, iron bar is stuck with a magnet, and in other figure the steel small bar is stuck with the magnet. We had some paper pin underneath both of the iron and steel. If you look closely, if you observe them properly, you can see that number of paper pin stuck with the iron bar is larger, whereas small number of pin are stuck with the steel bar. If we detach, if we remove the magnet from iron and steel, you can see that all the pins which were attached with the are stuck with the iron, they are now on the ground. After short time, we remove the iron bar and the magnet, and you can see in the figure that all the paper pin which was stuck with the iron, when iron and magnet was attached, so all these pins are now on the ground because iron was magnetized easily and demagnetized easily. So there is no magnetism in iron. No more iron is magnetized because we have deseparate the magnet and the iron bar, so all the pins are on the ground now. On other case, if you see the figure on your right hand, that steel bar and the magnet are attached together, and number of the pin attached with the steel are less as compared to the iron. And when we removed the magnet from steel bar, we can see that not all the pins, but few of the pins are now on the ground, lying ground, whereas few of the pins are still attached with the steel bar. So on this basis, on the basis of this experiment or default that we learned, the iron is soft, whereas steel is hard. So few properties we designed for the iron as a magnet and the steel as a magnet. Iron is soft material, whereas steel is hard material. Iron can easily magnetize, whereas hard material like steel difficult to magnetize. It takes longer time to magnetize. Second property that we learn, that a soft material like iron, it can be demagnetized easily, whereas the hard material which was difficult to magnetize took longer time to magnetize. In the same way, difficult to demagnetize takes longer time to demagnetize. Magnets are used in many devices. Permanent magnets are used when constant magnetic field is needed, whereas temporary magnets are used when a changing magnetic field is needed. The function of some devices, such as loudspeaker and moving coil ammeter, depend on the interaction of the magnet fields of permanent and temporary magnet. Some of the use in our daily lives are given in your book on the page 399. Moving coil, loudspeaker, moving coil ammeter, and these are the normal use in our life. So tomorrow we will learn about the electromagnet. Today we learn that the bodies which can be magnetized, the material which can be magnetized are of two types: permanent and temporary, soft and hard. So we learn their use in our life also, that all two devices are given in your book on the page 399, that moving coil loudspeaker and moving coil ammeter. So have a nice day. Tomorrow we will be study about the electromagnet and its properties and its use in our daily life. Thank you and God bless you. Once again, have a nice day. Hopefully tomorrow we will see each other.